Let's talk hybrid lashes. Many people don't understand how to mix individual eyelash extensions together with fans, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can see I've got 4D fans, I've got mega volume fan, and I've got slightly thicker eyelash and thinner eyelash. So here I'm going to show you what's going to happen if we mix mega volume fan together with thinner individual eyelashes. So I'm applying 1-to-1, which means one fan and one eyelash in between them. So here I've got mega volume fan, and when I do apply thinner eyelash, as you can see there, it's not as visible. So I'm going to apply slightly thicker individual eyelash, and there you go, it's more visible. So when you do mega volumes, it's better if you are using slightly thicker individual eyelash, otherwise you're not going to see the individual lashes in between your fans. So here you can see how it's going to look like with thicker lashes. And now I'm going to be using 4D fans, and I'm going to be using thinner eyelash in between. So again, I'm applying 1-to-1, which means one fan and one individual eyelash. And now I'm going to be applying slightly thicker individual eyelash in between. So it's up to you how do you want to mix them, but in general I would be using thicker eyelash with mega volume fan, and with 4D or 3D just slightly thinner eyelash. It also depends what your client wants and how healthy are their natural lashes.